Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this error java.net malformed URL exception. So how do we resolve this exception? How we can overcome it? So this is the broken link program. I was executing it. So let me execute it again. So here I'll put right click run as java.application. It was running properly, but it got an exception malformed URL exception it got. So it got failed. So how can we resolve that? See here again I'm running. So we are not concerned about the UI, we are just concerned about the backend stuff. So yeah, how do we understand this? How do we resolve this? So let me close this. So let us go back to the program now. So this is a broken link program. Anyway, I'll have another video to explain the broken link. But for now, let me create another method. So that method will actually check whether the URL is valid. Okay. So I'll take another static method. Public static boolean should be the return type is URL valid string URL. Okay. So I'll write here string. So the URL will be the input of this. So is URL valid? So add a return statement. So we'll write a return statement here. So we'll take a try and catch block. So try and we'll throw an exception. So I want to catch what? So I want to catch malformed URL exception. So malformed URL exception, if it gets print stack trace, so I want to return false. So try will return true. I'll write the try code also. Try will return true. If this exception is found, it will return false. So another catch method we can write. URL syntax exception also we can take, or if you just directly write exception E also it's fine. So this is another URL syntax exception. So these both can be handled by this method, URL syntax exception and also malformed URL exception. So I will return here false. Either it will be true or it will be a false. So try. So here we will take URL object equal to new URL. Instead of linked URL, we'll take URL as an input and obj.toURI. obj.toURI. So this is my exception handling of malformed URL. Okay. So URI, not URL. So if you have URI syntax exception and also the malformed exception, this method will handle. Okay. Where we'll call this method? We'll call this method inside the check broken link method. Okay. So let me add it here. So I'll write if condition. I gave a tag. So I'll write if condition here. If it is true, if the URL is valid. So whatever the URL we are getting, if it is valid, is URL valid of the link URL, then you run it. Okay. Now if I run this, we should not get an exception, malformed exception. Let us see. Okay, so now right click, run as Java application. See, the status code is 503 broken. So it is also broken. So it is typing properly, right? I'll stop this. So we didn't get an exception. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.